what inspired you to create this video? My answer is that when I took the painting outdoors last weekend for some drone videography and playing around with the DJI Ronin S that I had borrowed for that weekend, and I was painting the painting over with white, I started to think of it as a metaphor for life. And both from personal experience and from experiencing Weltschmeertz, that's a perfect German word, look it up, Weltschmeertz, I just learned that it is very beneficial to have a framework. When you are dealing with novel situations, with challenging situations, with loss and suffering, it is a lot to handle. And so it's really good to have a framework where you sort of can attach things, and that way you can more smoothly sort of ride these turbulent times. So I found this useful to think of the painting as a metaphor for life, and how it is never too late to start over, paint over with white. If you run out of certain colors, find different colors to paint with. If a certain vision for your life doesn't work out, create a new vision for your life. And that you have the potential to build resilience in you and strength and adaptability. And so do that. And when you're faced with a challenge, ask yourself, what is this challenge there to teach me? And realize that in every adverse situation, there are winners and losers, and ask yourself, how can you be a winner? Okay, maybe you don't have any savings to invest in the real estate market or certain stocks, but what are other ways you can win? So use this time to squeeze out as many lessons as you can, to maybe come out of the situation stronger than you were ever before. So I found in the past few days thinking of this painting as a metaphor for life useful, and I hope you will find it useful as well.